just know that I am wearing my glasses, not so I can see my beautiful face. Nope. I am wearing these glasses to cover up a disgusting growth that I have on my face right now. Hopefully, you can't see it. What is popping, guys? Today I am bringing you yet another tattoo machine review. The machine that I am reviewing today is the Fold Pro by Dragonhawk. As always, total honesty, Dragonhawk did send me this machine. However, this is not a sponsored video, and Dragonhawk have had absolutely no input in this video and are seeing this video the moment that you guys are seeing this video. Everything I say in this review is my honest opinion and is only my opinion. So getting into the meat and potatoes, the price. The price of this machine here in the UK will set you back £210. If you are in the US, then you are looking at $249. So what do you get in the box? Well, when your machine comes, you will get one machine. You will get a RCA adapter. The wireless already comes attached. You also get an RCA cable, a charging cable, and a few O-rings. The machine comes in at 200 grams in weight. That is with the wireless battery pack attached on top. And it comes in at 199 grams in weight when you replace the wireless battery pack with the RCA adapter. It comes with a 32mm grip, and get this, 7 different stroke lengths, which I might add are all internal. You are not taking off a cam to put on a new cam. It is all internal within the machine. So let's go through the pros of this machine. As you can see, it is sleek. If Batman was a tattoo artist, this is the machine that he would keep in his utility belt. It is a sleek, nice looking machine. But not only that, if Batman was to use this machine, you know that he is getting a good battery life. On the last review that I did on the Masked Racer, one of the cons that I had was that the battery life wasn't great. I am happy to tell you that the battery life on this machine is vastly superior. I used this entire machine for one full day, and by the end of the day, I had only used 2 bars. I was using this machine for the majority of the day on a 4.2 stroke because the particular piece that I was doing it on was majority line work. For it to use only 2 bars at between 8 and 8.2 volts on a 4.2 stroke for the entire day is really good. I don't want to mention any other brands in this particular review because that's not fair to Dragonhawk. But just know that I've used other brands that are wireless and I've used it for the same amount of time, and these brands, you know, you're using way more. Just know that. So the battery life on this machine is a vast improvement, and it's something I am seriously happy about. However, you know, if the battery did go because she was doing an exceptionally long tattoo, you know you can just whip that out and stick in the RCA and you are good to go. Now, staying on the wireless battery for just a little bit longer, I love this feature. It is magnetic. That means that you can just pull off and put on any which way that you want, and it just magnetizes straight in. It is same with the RCA adapter. You pull out the wireless power supply and you stick in that RCA adapter exactly the same, any which way you like. It is a fantastic feature on this machine. But let's get into the true selling point, the 7 strokes. I'll tell you a little secret, right? When I first started in this industry and I was messing around with machines, I always wanted a machine where I could change from the lowest stroke to the highest stroke at the twist of a, you know, grip of some sort. Dragonhawk have done that. Like, it is incredible what they have done with this machine and how this machine works. They have developed a stroke system that is as easy as changing voltage by literally just twisting up or down to get the desired stroke that you want. Now, most machines work within a 2.5, 3.5, or a 4 to a 4.2 stroke. Having this machine gives you the ability to make micro adjustments. It gives you everything in between, which also makes it great for permanent makeup application if that is your field. This feature for me is just insane. I genuinely love this feature. It has got me thinking about going from my current tattoo machines to primarily using just this one machine because it does it all. Through the entire tattoo process, I was using a 3-round liner, a 7-round liner, and a 14-round shader, and it was putting in lines at 4.2 with ease. It was so easy. Single pass lines. And then having that ability when I got to shading to drop down that stroke at the twist of a grip to 2.7, I think I used it at, was just unreal. The versatility is just outstanding. I cannot fault it. This may be the only machine that is a true all-rounder. Like, machines can be all-rounders. You know, you can pick a 4.2 stroke machine up that only has a 4.2 stroke, and you can, you know, make that machine do everything for you. But this is the machine that is the true all-rounder. Whether you love to work at 2.5, 2.7, 3.5, whatever, you are getting that in this machine. Whether you want to work at 3.9 to 4.2, you are getting that. This really is the only machine that I've seen that is the true all-rounder, which also makes it great for travel. Having that one machine to take with you, if you're doing guest spots or you're traveling abroad anywhere, one machine, done, dusted. Now, obviously, you wouldn't take just one machine in case that machine, you know, malfunctioned, but you get what I'm saying. You could take that one machine and you would be absolutely fine knowing that you have everything in that one machine to be able to do any single job. The machine feels great in hand and it is nice and balanced also. But onto the cons. Now, the cons on this machine for me is the LED screen. It is pretty small and I do wear glasses, so it can be hard to see. I would love to have just seen it just be a little bit bigger. The machine, the LED does have a timer on top, a usage timer. I think that you could have, you know, just moved that. I don't think that that usage timer is completely necessary. I think that you could have moved that, you know, just make the numbers just a little bit bigger. You know, the feature of the time used can be great, but I don't see many people getting much use out of it. Whereas I do think that having a bigger number on that LCD screen could be a lot better for tattoo artists. Now onto the weight of the machine, which is my next con. Although the machine is balanced and it does feel great, it is 200 grams. So it is on the heavier side of tattoo machines, and you definitely do feel it. I would love to just, you know, bring it down just slightly. I think 200 grams is quite a lot, but you know, it does feel good. If you like a heavier machine, this is definitely for you. Having a heavier machine isn't always a con, but because it is on that 200 grams and on that heavier side, it does have to be in the cons section, unfortunately. And now onto my last con. It is a coreless motor. Now, I imagine it is a coreless motor simply to bring down the cost of the machine for the consumer. However, I would have loved to have seen a brushed or even a brushless motor in this Fold Pro. But for 210 quid, you know, it works absolutely fine. It is, like I said, these are just my cons and what I would love to see. You, if you go out and buy this machine, may not care about any of that. You know, that doesn't affect the performance of the machine and how good this machine is. So as always, are there any deal breakers with buying this tattoo machine? Absolutely not. No deal breakers at all. It is a fantastic machine. I am not just saying that, and I really mean it when I said that I am thinking about, you know, ditching off my current machines and just going to this one. It is an unreal machine. The 7 internal stroke lengths is just crazy, and going from like 2.4, I think it starts at, up to 4.2, you feel the stroke changing and you feel the machine changing as you know, twist that stroke up or down. It's nuts. It really is nuts to me. So there is definitely no deal breakers for me. The price on point. The weight, although on the heavier side, is not an issue. The coreless motor, again, not an issue. There is absolutely no issues with this. Now, if you want to buy this machine, there is a link in the description with a discount code. Put that in on checkout and get yourself 10% off. But guys, I hope you have enjoyed this review. If you are new around here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to turn on the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. But guys, I will see you all in the next one. Peace out. Muchest love. Again, thank you Dragonhawk for sending me this machine. I really do appreciate it. Ta-ta.